Flash contests, and good luck.
Nicole's a lot of fun. You're a lot of fun. I mean, that sounds like a great time. I got to ask, do you plan to dance, though? Is that guaranteed?
Of course.
Okay,
yeah,
just
plan
making
to dance
sure.
the night away, no doubt about it.
Okay, and that karaoke sounds like so much fun, too.
It does.
Okay, so we need that important forecast in just a few more days on Tuesday night, Josh.
Yeah, because right now it's kind of the time where you're thinking, okay, what am I going to wear to all of these events? I would suggest maybe dressing in layers and maybe something that's waterproof, at least from the vehicle to the inside. Yeah, that's because temperatures are expected to sit into the 40s for us as we approach New Year's Eve. Again, less than a week away, as a few hit and miss showers are expected. That's where we turn to a live look out over downtown Portland. Our holiday lights still shining brightly there, although the Morrison Bridge now turning a shade of what appears to be blue and purple, maybe in celebration of 2025. But boy, is it soggy out there. 47 degrees is where we currently sit, keeping that wet weather trend going all the way through about the sunrise hour, and then we'll slowly start to dry out those skies once again. And then it's a rinse and repeat scenario of what we've experienced today again for your Friday, along with some breezier conditions by the mid-morning hours. But satellite and radar definitely showing that the wet weather is widespread and in abundance. Those yellows and oranges, a great indication of the heaviest of the rain that's currently falling. Heavy mountain snow over the Cascades, all above about 4,000 feet or so, as the wind, again, not necessarily going to be as strong as what we experienced about this time last night. After our rain gauges have managed to fill up to over 3/4 of an inch, almost 8/10 of an inch here in the Rose City, and closer to 1.5 inches for some of our coastal communities. So that's helping to fill up the bucket for the month of December, seeing a surplus by about 8/10 of an inch. Our average rainfall for the month is right around 5 3/4 of an inch. So I think we'll be coming to the end of December with a little bit above average precipitation. As this latest system continues to track its way off to the east, we prepare for yet again another one hitting the Pacific Northwest for Friday afternoon into Friday evening. Once that one clears, it's replaced by yet again another. It's just a parade of storms out over the Pacific Ocean. Again, keeping the wet weather trend coming, along with the heavy mountain snow and some breezier conditions. So as we are hit with multiple storm systems, it comes as no surprise as a high surf advisory remains in effect through 4 o'clock tomorrow. That's where waves could tip the scale of about 25 to 30 feet. Up in elevation, that's where we're picking up on some of those snow showers, slick spots likely with a little bit of that slush out towards the government camp area, as we are talking about 1 foot to almost 2 feet of snow, in addition to what we've already picked up on over the past 24 hours. Beneficial for our skiers and snowboarders as we continue to pile up that snow. Again, all above about 4,000 feet, so some mountain pass travel likely going to be coming across some of those snowy roadways. As we slowly dry things out, I should say, for the start of the day tomorrow, another burst of moisture moves in by the afternoon and evening, takes us into Saturday morning with a splash and dash shower, and it starts to ramp up once again as we work our way into the afternoon and evening. Filling up our rain gauges at least through Saturday, close to an additional 1/2 inch, closer to 1.5 inches for our coastal spots. 7-day forecast. Again, it's going to be breezy for the next few days with the return of the wet weather. Temperatures stable in the low 50s, above our average of about 46 this time of year, and our driest day over the next 7 days likely to fall on the final day of 2024. And then the new year brings us more wet weather.
Okay, well, not too shabby. It's what we would expect anyway. All right, thanks, Josh. Hey, Ken, over to you.